Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up any Wi-Fi connection. So for that, come below at the search bar, type in Control Panel and open it. Now right at this section, go for Network and Sharing Center. Double click onto it. In here, you're going to have to select Change Adapter Settings from your left-hand side. Now as you do that, it will show up your Wi-Fi. Go ahead and double click onto it. Then select Properties. Likewise here, locate IPv4 for Internet Protocol version, then select Properties again, and select this box that says use the following DNS server addresses. Here type in 8888, and for the below section, type in 8844. And as you do that, select OK. Once done, select Configure for the same Wi-Fi properties. Select Advanced. You will see 24 GHz. You're going to have to set it to auto under value, and you're going to have to do the same for your 5G. Set it to auto. Once done, select Band Selection. Under value, if it's set to all band, expanded, select 5G only. But before making sure 5G only, make sure that your router also gives connection for 5G. 5G is relatively very stronger than 2G, but it also depends upon the area where the router is situated. So select 5G here. Under Preferred Band, also select Prefer 5 GHz band under value. Once done, select OK. Now lastly, you're going to have to restart your device. Likewise, connect it to your Wi-Fi and it will work faster. Thank you for watching.